Hi, Tate. Your number went down from 32 to 17, but you still have quite a bit of plagiarism. Let me show you. I opened the report and there's just a lot. That one's okay because it's in quotation marks, as I said before, I think. But when it's not in quotation marks, even if it's just 3 words, the strictest definition of plagiarism is 3 words in a row, the same as the original. So this is clearly plagiarized, and it will be in this kind of thing will be considered plagiarism in every class that you take. And a lot of instructors will just give you the 0 and no discussion. And some will even give you the 0 and file a report with the college. And so it is taken quite seriously. I don't know. I guess that's all I had to say.